Hello, Lucas. We're going to try apple today. You going to try apple? You going to try a little bit? Just a little bit. Just try a little bit first. See if you like it. You like it? Yes. You like this flavor? It's quite sweet. It's yummy apple. Some more? Tastes like applesauce. What do you think? More? You like it? Good boy. You want some more? Okay, Mama spin some more for you. Daddy's home. Some more, sweetie. Daddy's home. Come on. Oh, you're still finishing. Okay. Some more? Daddy's home. Yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Look at his face.